Here today we see how to create a database in Microsoft Access 2007. So first open the Microsoft Access, then to create a database click on this blank database. Here at the bottom right corner we have to provide the name of the database. Suppose we want to create a database for our banking system, so we can provide the name bank db. This is the default location where our database, bank database, is going to be stored. You can change the default location by clicking on this button. Now click on the create. So our bank database is created. Under this banking database we want to create two tables. One is account and one is branch table. As we know, in any table there are fields or columns, and every field there is a data type. This is by default there is a one table. Table 1 is created. First of all, save this table by pressing Ctrl S. So provide the name of the table account, press OK. So our account table is created. Now to create the fields of this table we have to open this account table in the design mode. So to open design mode, design view, right click on this table, click on the design view. Here by default there is one field, ID field is created. We don't want this ID field in our account table, so simply delete this field by right clicking, delete row. Yes. Now our first field of this account table is account number, and our data type for this account number is text. We can change different field properties here using these properties. Now we want to change the size, text size. We select a text size for this account number is 3, so we can change field size to 3. Our second field is balance, and data type for this is number, and by default there is a field size long integer. You can change also some other sizes, byte, integer, long integer, single, so we can select long integer by default. Third field of this account table is B name. Data type we select for this B name field is text, and size we set 5. So here after creating these fields you have to save this table by pressing Ctrl S. Now our account table is created and fields are created, but suppose we want to create this account number field as a primary key. We want to set this account number as a primary key. So to set a primary key, right click on this field and click on this primary key, either you can click on this primary key or you can click from here. So this account number now becomes the primary key, and we know when we select any field as a primary key, so we cannot insert duplicate values and null values in this primary key field. Again we make some changes, so save the changes by pressing Ctrl S. Now our next step is to insert some records in this account table. So to insert a record in account table, simply right click on this account table and open the table. Now one by one we can insert record here using graphical user interface. A01, our first account number, A01, balance 5000, BVN, A02, A04, A05, 6000, branch name, VVN. Now as we know, account number is our primary key. We set account number field as a primary key field. Now suppose we insert some duplicate value in this account table. Now when we try to insert a duplicate value, system will generate the message, we cannot insert duplicate values. So here in this way we can insert records in the table. Now to create another table in this bank database, simply click on this create tab, click on the table, save this table by pressing Ctrl S, give the name of the table. Suppose we want to create a branch table, so branch, table name branch. Again now we have to set the fields for this branch table, so open in the design view, delete this. Our first field for the branch table is bname, data type text, size 5, second branch address, data type text, size 50. So after adding the fields, save the table. To insert a record, right click on the branch table, open the table, In this branch table we have not defined any primary key in this branch table, so we can insert some duplicate value also. So in this way we can create the database, and we can create tables inside our database, and insert the records. Thank you.